Welcome to our detailed review of Coinmama, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchange platforms. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes Coinmama a favorite choice for both new and experienced traders looking to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with simplicity and security. Coinmama is an established platform that has been serving the crypto community for years. It allows users to purchase cryptocurrencies directly using a credit card, bank transfer, or other payment methods. Its user-friendly interface makes the process straightforward, even for beginners. Security is at the forefront of Coinmama's offerings, with robust verification protocols ensuring your transactions and data remain safe. One of the standout features of Coinmama is its global availability. Unlike many other platforms that restrict users based on geographic location, Coinmama is accessible in over 190 countries, making it a truly international crypto exchange. The platform supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more, catering to a wide range of investment preferences. Fees on Coinmama are transparent, but slightly higher than other exchanges. This is due to its convenience and the ability to directly purchase cryptocurrencies without pre-funding an account. For credit card purchases, the fees are 5%, but there are often promotions and discounts available for frequent users. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To use Coinmama, you'll need to complete a simple registration and verification process. After creating an account, upload the required documents for verification, which typically includes a government-issued ID. Once verified, you can start purchasing cryptocurrencies almost instantly. Transactions on Coinmama are swift, with purchases reflecting in your crypto wallet within minutes. Coinmama does not provide a built-in wallet, meaning users must have an external crypto wallet to receive their purchases. This enhances security, as your assets are not stored on the platform, reducing the risk of potential breaches. The platform also provides excellent customer support, with a responsive team available to answer queries and resolve issues promptly. The FAQ section on the website is comprehensive, offering quick solutions to common problems. If you're looking for a secure, straightforward platform to buy cryptocurrencies, Coinmama is an excellent choice. Its ease of use, extensive coverage, and commitment to security make it stand out in a crowded market. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more in-depth reviews and guides on cryptocurrency platforms.